If you've got one of these tool chests and you don't have the inserts, the foam inserts for keeping all your stuff in order, and you like having things neat, got a cheap, easy solution for that. Get some of this foam floor mat stuff they sell for camping, etc. Measure up the inside of your drawer. For cutting it out, tin snips or scissors will work as good as any. Just lay the things you're wanting to put in the drawer on top, trace around them with your texter. Once you got them traced out, you're going to get yourself a sharp knife, like a Stanley knife or something. Just make sure you're on top of something that you don't particularly care about. Start cutting it out. Once you got it cut out, just make sure your tools go in the spots. Yeah, spot on. Your knife, any of the little daggy bits, just trim them up. Alright, so once you're ready to put the thing in, just give it the a dose of hot glue down the just stop the bits between the tools wiggling around and you're good to put your tools in. There you go, your DIY tool chest organising arrangement.